Hope you are doing well. So in this video I will show you how you can connect your Shopify store with your Funnelish account. So first of all, you have to click on this settings icon and click on integrations, then click on Shopify and turn it on. Then you have to go to Shopify store and click here to preview the store. Then just copy this URL without HTTPS slash. Then you have to paste your Shopify store URL here and then click connect. Then it will redirect to your Shopify store. Then just install the Funnelish app. Yeah, now it's connected, and then click on save changes. Now you can sync your Funnelish order to your Shopify store.